Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to do a quick review on Deepseek. You see, Deepseek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company known for developing large language models, LLMs. It was founded in 2023 and is backed by the hedge fund Highflyer. Now I'm going to give you a quick review like I said. So let's start with the focus. You see, Deepseek concentrates on building more advanced, often open source AI. Yes, AI models, including general purpose LLMs, coding specific models like Deepseek Coder, and models focused on reasoning like Deepseek R1. So let's continue. So this is for chat. You can scan to get the Deepseek app on your phone. And this is the Deepseek R1. If you want to engage, just click on it and you've engaged it. So moving on. Don't forget that's for reasoning. Yeah. Next, we have the Q models. Now the Q models, some notable models include Deepseek version 3, a large general purpose MOE model, and Deepseek R1, like I said earlier. Deepseek R1, this is a reasoning focused model. So, okay, I'm checking for something. Alright, let's continue. When it comes to performance, Deepseek's models have shown strong performance on various benchmarks, often rivaling or exceeding established models from companies like OpenAI and Google in certain areas, particularly when it comes to reasoning and coding tasks. When it comes to efficiency and cost, a significant aspect of Deepseek is its reported ability to train powerful models at a much lower cost compared to some Western counterparts, utilizing innovative architectures like mixture of experts MOE and efficient training techniques. When it comes to the open source approach, Deepseek has released several models as open weight, allowing researchers and developers to access and work with the model parameters, which contributes to transparency and collaboration in the AI community. And impact. You see, Deepseek has quickly gained attention for its rapid progress and cost effectiveness, prompting discussions about the resources required for cutting-edge AI development and impacting the global AI landscape. In essence, Deepseek is a fast-rising player in the AI field, recognized for developing high-performing, cost-efficient, and often open-source language models that are competitive with leading proprietary systems. So we want to use it's like a chat. Remember, it's a chat. Essentially, just ask questions, messages, and to give you the answer. You can also upload documents or images, maximum 50 or 400 megabytes each for text extraction only. You can search the web when necessary. Like I said, you can use Deepseek RI to think carefully before responding to solve reasoning problems. So here's to open the sidebar. Here's to scan to get the Deepseek app. This is where you sign in, because you must sign in when you get to deepseek.com. You have to sign in. Okay, your Google account or your email account before it opens this part. So, hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like for